Are you looking for wood furniture and wooden decorative pieces ideas to decorate your home, office, or patio space? In that case, you have come to the right place as we have gathered you more than 80 different wooden items you could consider using. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of amazing woodcraft project ideas that are high profitable. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Creating amazing woodcraft projects for modern interior home decor offers artisans a rewarding opportunity to combine creativity with functionality, ultimately leading to high profit potential. One of the standout ideas in this realm is designing custom wooden furniture pieces that cater to contemporary tastes while maximizing utility. For instance, crafting a sleek, minimalist coffee table that incorporates hidden storage can serve dual purposes, appealing to consumers who value both aesthetics and practicality. By using high-quality hardwoods and innovative design techniques, artisans can create tables that not only look stunning in a modern living room, but also provide a solution for clutter management. The allure of such multifunctional furniture lies in its ability to blend seamlessly into various interior styles, making it attractive to a broad audience. Another captivating project idea involves creating unique wall art pieces that leverage the natural beauty of wood. Artisans can experiment with layering different wood types, incorporating geometric patterns, or even crafting intricate designs that reflect nature or abstract concepts. These wall art pieces can serve as focal points in a room, drawing attention and evoking conversation among guests. By offering customization options, such as personalized engravings or bespoke designs tailored to a client's specific preferences, artisans can command higher prices for their creations. Moreover, these art pieces can be marketed as sustainable home decor, appealing to environmentally conscious consumers who appreciate the use of reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood. In the kitchen, crafting bespoke cutting boards can be both a lucrative and fulfilling endeavor. Artisans can design cutting boards in various shapes and sizes, incorporating unique features such as juice grooves, built-in handles, or even personalized engravings. By using high-quality hardwoods like walnut or maple, artisans can create durable, functional pieces that not only serve a practical purpose, but also add a touch of elegance to kitchen spaces. These cutting boards can be marketed not only as kitchen essentials, but also as ideal gifts for weddings, housewarmings, or holidays, which can significantly increase their sales potential. The combination of functionality and aesthetics in these products makes them highly desirable for consumers looking to elevate their culinary experiences. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Another high-profit craft project idea is creating stylish wooden organizers and storage solutions. In a world where space is often at a premium, well-designed organizers can help individuals maintain order and simplicity in their homes. Artisans can craft everything from desktop organizers and mail holders to stylish jewelry boxes and multifunctional storage bins. By incorporating modern design elements and high-quality finishes, these organizers can enhance the overall decor of a room while serving essential functions. Customization options, such as different sizes, finishes, or compartments tailored to specific uses, can further increase the appeal and profitability of these products. Consumers are often willing to invest in beautifully crafted organizers that not only solve their storage challenges, but also contribute positively to their home aesthetics. The trend of indoor gardening has gained significant traction, and artisans can capitalize on this by designing beautiful wooden planters and plant stands. By creating planters that feature modern designs, such as geometric shapes or tiered arrangements, artisans can cater to the growing interest in houseplants and greenery. These planters can be crafted from a variety of woods and finished to suit different interior styles, from rustic to contemporary. Additionally, incorporating innovative elements like self-watering systems or drainage features can add value and attract more customers. Offering a range of sizes and styles allows artisans to appeal to various consumers, from those with limited space looking for small planters to those who want larger statement pieces for their living rooms or patios. For those interested in creating smaller items, crafting wooden coasters can be a profitable venture as well. These coasters can be made unique through the use of different wood types, shapes, and personalized engravings. Artisans can offer sets that feature matching designs or themed collections that resonate with popular trends, such as nature or abstract art. Additionally, using a mix of finishes can enhance the appeal, allowing consumers to choose coasters that match their home decor. The relatively low cost of materials combined with the ease of production can result in high profit margins, especially when marketed effectively through online platforms or local craft fairs. In the realm of home lighting, artisans can explore creating wooden lamp designs that merge functionality with artistic expression. Whether it's a table lamp, floor lamp, or wall sconce, wooden lamps can add warmth and character to any space. By experimenting with different shapes, finishes, and light sources, such as LED technology, artisans can create stunning pieces that not only illuminate a room, but also serve as works of art. Customization options, such as choice of wood type or lamp shade designs, can further enhance the marketability of these creations, appealing to consumers looking for unique lighting solutions that reflect their personal style. Another lucrative project idea is designing and crafting rustic wooden signs that can adorn entryways, kitchens, or living rooms. These signs can feature inspirational quotes, family names, or personalized messages that resonate with homeowners. By using different fonts, finishes, and wood types, artisans can create pieces that fit a variety of home styles, from farmhouse chic to modern elegance. The demand for personalized home decor items continues to grow, making custom wooden signs a profitable product line. Artisans can promote these signs as perfect gifts for special occasions, such as weddings or anniversaries, appealing to consumers looking for meaningful, personalized presents. Artisans can also explore creating wooden furniture that caters specifically to small spaces, such as foldable tables, compact chairs, or multifunctional benches. These pieces not only solve practical challenges, but also embody modern design sensibilities, aligning with the preferences of consumers living in urban settings. By incorporating clever design features that allow for easy storage or conversion, artisans can create high-demand products that resonate with individuals seeking stylish solutions to space constraints. The combination of practicality, aesthetics, and innovative design can lead to high profit margins, as consumers are often willing to invest in quality pieces that enhance their living environments. As artisans embark on these amazing woodcraft projects, they can leverage social media and online marketplaces to showcase their work, connecting with a broad audience eager for unique home decor solutions. High-quality photography and engaging storytelling about the craftsmanship involved in each piece can foster a deeper connection with potential buyers, encouraging them to invest in handmade products that reflect their values and style preferences. Additionally, participating in local craft fairs, home shows, or pop-up shops can provide artisans with valuable exposure, allowing them to reach new customers and generate interest in their creations. In the world of woodcraft projects offers a multitude of opportunities for artisans to create amazing pieces that enhance modern interior home decor while generating high profits. From custom furniture and wall art to practical organizers and unique lighting solutions, the possibilities are vast and varied. By focusing on quality craftsmanship, innovative design, and effective marketing strategies, artisans can tap into the growing demand for unique, handcrafted items that resonate with consumers seeking to elevate their living spaces. As the appreciation for artisanal goods continues to rise, the potential for success in this field remains strong, offering artisans a fulfilling path that blends creativity, functionality, and profitability. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked for amazing woodcraft project ideas that are high profit and interior decor items. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.